Hey guys, welcome back to another Little King 501 video, and today I'll be reviewing Ninjago Airjitzu Zane flyer. As you can see, this set is for Airjitzu Zane. This set is ages 6 to 14. This is 70742 is the set number, and it has 42 pieces. Right off the back, we have Zane in his new uniform. This is an exclusive name. It's exclusive to this set. It's similar to the 2012 NRG Zane, but it also has some different features, like it's symbol on the back, and it's black torso and white arms. The set retails for $13. Comes with one instruction manual and some pieces. One instruction manual. And on the back, there's some other sets that you could get. For the accessories, we have this sword, this spear, ice shards, and then we also have some. If you like put these on his legs, you can make Zane go ice skating. That's really cool. It comes with 3 of these pieces, so if you lose one, you have an extra. An extra stud, which no legs, and then got 2 striking pieces. These strike-ins were actually connected with these two, with this piece, which was actually not supposed to be a piece, but if you could use it as a piece because it fits perfectly on to the stud, just like that. Just like that. So you could use that as an extra piece. So make sure you don't throw that away. The box is like I don't really like it. It's like it's hard to open. And then, well, anyways, over here we have some of the extras, some of the other Airjitzu flyers like Kai's, Cole's, Jay's, Morus, and Rats. So, anyways, I will show you how you fly this thing. Okay. So, when you get this piece and this piece, you place it, this one on here, you get your minifigure, then you place it on here, you get this piece, then you place it like that, then you make it click, you turn it until it clicks, you get this. Once you've built it, you place it onto like here, and then And then you let it. Oh, oops. Got stuck. And then you let it rip. And then it slowly spins on the ground. After, I'll show you. So, like this. And it's hard for me to do it because I like, and then slowly spins. So yeah, let's do it one more time. Oh, because I want to make sure you guys follow. Oops. That. And it spins. These are similar to the old 2012 Ninjago spinners, which I personally like them. I don't know why they stopped them, but it's all good. So yeah, that's about it for this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.